What's the meaning of contact lens? Contact lens. Contact lens.
Contact lens. Contact lens. A contact lens is a thin, curved lens that is placed directly on the surface of the eye in order to correct vision problems or for cosmetic purposes. Contact lenses are typically made from silicone, hydrogel, or other materials that are designed to be comfortable and breathable for the eye. They are available in a variety of types, including soft lenses, rigid gas-permeable lenses, and hybrid lenses. Contact lenses can provide improved visual acuity and a more natural field of vision compared to traditional eyeglasses, and are often preferred for sports and other physical activities.